Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and it's Rush Raymore Reviews. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Just click that subscribe button, join the family, join Rush Raymore Reviews. Remember to leave a comment, remember to like and share. The more likes, the more shares, the more YouTube recommend to new viewers as well. And if you want to donate to the channel to go towards the purchasing of a drone, we have PayPal and other options. So you're back on the channel today. We are in New Kingston. I know you already saw that in the title. There's a new construction, not very big, but there's a new construction on Knutsford Boulevard. So that's what we're taking a quick look on today. So the building is being renovated. Over the last 6, 7, 8 years, it was abandoned. No tenants were there, so they're renovating plus expanding. They're adding 3 floors to the existing 2 floors that was there, so it's gonna be one of the taller building on this stretch. It's right beside Tasty, right next to the Factories Corporation of Jamaica. So they're doing, you know, a good amount of work on that building. So they're going up to 5 floors right here on Knutsford Boulevard. So it's not a big construction, but as you know, we try to highlight everything that's happening on the channel. So I saw this happening, so I said, hey, let me highlight. I'm not sure if they have any potential tenants as yet. I'm not sure who's gonna go there when they're finished, but if you guys know, because I know all you guys know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody. So if you know who's gonna go there when they're finished, just let me know in the comment section. Leave your comments as well, in terms of this building, in terms of New Kingston as well, because I think New Kingston has become a little bit comfortable with the level of development they have reached. So not a lot of changes happening. But let me know what you think about what's happening in New Kingston. So I'm gonna show you guys I'm just gonna show you guys around a little bit, and then we take a drive to a neighboring community of New Kingston. So stay tuned, watch the lane, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright, so New Kingston, Knutsford Boulevard. This is the CIBC building, First Caribbean Bank. And then GK Insurance, and that's the new construction there. Alright, so we have the JPS and the Scotia building here, along with their electric car charging station. That's a Nissan Note. And then across from them is NCB, JMB, Tasty, and then the new construction. Alright, so it's narrow, but it goes a good way back. So narrow but long. And then there's a parking behind there, parking area. Alright, so this is the side of the building. Alright, so that's John R. Wang supermarket, and then this is the parking area at the back. This is First Caribbean Bank parking area, and then this is the back of the complex. So this is some heavy duty steel. Alright guys, so we are heading to Braemar Avenue just to take a quick drive around. There are 2 apartment construction happening there. Gonna take a quick drive by, not a very in-depth video. So we're just outside of the British High Commission Kingston office. So we'll take a left turn right here on Braemar Avenue. And then Jump Road is right ahead of us. So a few businesses are on this road. We just past School 97 FM. So both apartment complexes and businesses are on this road. 2 apartment construction currently active. We have Via at Braemar, and we will be going around to the other one shortly. But it's a quick swing by, not a detailed video. In the upcoming week or 2 I'll do a more detailed video for you guys. So this one in front of us is the Via at Braemar. So it's right in front of us. So they're going up quite fast. The last time we came here, probably they were just 2 floors up. And again, we'll be back to do a more in-depth walk around. But this is proven investment project, 21 Braemar Avenue, Via at Braemar. Then we'll reverse here and head back around to the other one. So floor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 floors up. So when we return, we'll do a better walk around with you guys. Alright, so we head to the second one now. So we're now on Comlin Bank Road. So this is the Hampshire. This one is finished quite some time now, right on the left. Very nice colors. I like this one. So this is the Hampshire, and there are some more detailed videos on my channel covering via at Braemar, the Hampshire, and then the third one is the Cambridge in front of us. I think this one is moving rather slow. I think it could be because they have multiple towers. It's not just one big building going up. They have multiple sections, so because they're building multiple sections, I think that's what's slowing down this one, rather than just one big structure like via Braemar or Rootland Towers. So this one is being developed by Guardian Group. So they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors up now. So I guess they're building all of them on the same pace. Looking from the outside, inside looks a bit small, but I know that, you know, once you are able to look into one of the completed units, then you'd see the space. That's a billboard right there, so that's the concept of how it should look. That's right in front of us. Not sure we can see it clearly. So this is Musgrave Avenue, 2-4 Musgrave Avenue, and again this is the Cambridge. They have been under construction for a good while now. I think this is one of the projects that's moving the slowest, to be honest, but again it could be because of the multiple towers, I don't know. Alright, so they'll have jogging trail, pool, gym, underground parking, with a lot of other amenities as well. Alright guys, so those are 2 active construction on Braemar and Musgrave Avenue, very close to New Kingston. And we also showed you guys the new construction on Knutsford Boulevard. So it's just a quick drive around the community, giving you guys an update. And eventually I'll do even a more in-depth update on these projects as well. Just giving you guys a quick glimpse of what's happening. So definitely stay tuned. Thanks for watching so far, and definitely leave your comments in terms of what you think about these projects. And as usual guys, if you do have some form of connection or link with a project that you'll want me to cover, you know, definitely message me, WhatsApp me in the comments or otherwise, and we can do an arrangement to cover that property. And as usual, thanks for all the support, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the shares, thanks for all the subscription, and thanks for all the comments. I know I can depend on certain persons. Don't want to start calling names because I'm sure I'm going to forget some of them, but I know there are some persons I can always, you know, look forward to seeing comments from them. Really appreciate that as well. So see you on another review, see you on another driving video guys. All right.